Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 off of 30 over at the Dollar General for this week. These deals are taking place right until the 8th. But before we do that, we're going to talk very quickly and swiftly about the 50% off sale that's taking place from the 7th to the 9th. And specifically why this is such a fabulous sale is because items that are already in their clearance section, and there's lots of great stuff, it's going to be 50% of the sticker price. Pairing that with coupons, there's an opportunity to get a lot of this stuff for extremely cheap or possibly free. I made a very good video, I believe, on Monday. It's posted. I will link it at the end and in the notes. On some of the stuff I've been finding here in the middle of nowhere, Michigan, and pairing it with coupons and some of the magic involved. And even if you've never tried this, even with digital coupons, you could probably score a couple really good deals. And who doesn't like free stuff? And there's a lot of opportunity for some great merchandise finds and overage and all that stuff. So I'm absolutely going to be out there starting on Friday morning, and this is my Christmas and birthday mixed together. I love this sale, and it only happens maybe 3 or 4 times a year as well, but this is going to be one of them, and I am so excited. I just can't contain it. Okay guys, so looking at this, this is the coupon that we're going to be talking about today. It is the 5 off of 30, and on Saturday, I know last Saturday it was pairing with the 5 off of 25. So for most of these deals, if you do them today between now and Friday, you'll have $5 of savings. If you wait till Saturday, if everything lines up, fingers crossed, you'll get $10 of savings off of a $30 basket of Gain merchandise. And that is the most advantageous time to absolutely do these deals. Now, a couple ground rules. Again, guys, this is taking place until February the 8th, which is Saturday. You got to buy $30 of Gain merchandise. So absolutely pay attention when you're in the store, because this clearance event is happening. So bring a pad of paper and a pen to make sure that your numbers are balancing. Definitely use the Dollar General app to scan these items in the store to make sure they're ringing up for the cost that we're describing. And definitely, this is how I do it, is I get the cashier to scan the merchandise, any paper coupons, and then I punch in my phone number immediately after the cashier scans that last paper coupon, and it seems to work that way. Any issues where coupons are not coming off, or you're paying like way too much out of pocket, you can always void your transaction and all the digital coupons will stay on your store card. Maybe some math was missed or something got messed up. And sometimes when they have these sale events, goofy things happen with the cash registers over there. And if you've been shopping at the Dollar General for a long time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I'll absolutely recommend to watch this video that I have linked in the notes and at the very end. And it is how to use the scanner on your Dollar General app. And this just cuts out the middle work, the guesswork, and it makes shopping there just a delight. And if there is no Wi-Fi or cell phone connection at your store, go right to the front. And most cashiers have no problem. If you're like, I just want to scan some prices, they'll be like, absolutely. That's not going to take any time of me having to work. You just scan that yourself. You'll be like, yes. And then they'll be like, go ahead. Some stores will let me go right at the front doors and scan. So just be nice and say, hey, can I scan a couple things? And they know what you're doing. They'll be like, absolutely. Okay, so this first deal that we have is with some clearance merch. So we're going to use the 5 off of 30, and we're going to do this also on Saturday. And, try it or don't try it, we're looking for the biggest savings. So it works in correspondence that date with the clearance event and these coupons. So that's why we're going for Saturday for this deal. So we're also going to have the 5 off of 25. So these 2 cornerstone boosters or coupons or whatever you want to call them, make sure you have both of them loaded to your store card. And then this item, so it is the Gain Flings. It's this larger container of these detergent tabs, and they are quite nice. So this one in the Aloha, so anything with Aloha seems to be on clearance. I don't know why, but that seems to be the case around here. But here's the UPC for the product, so maybe you should scan it and see what your store might have. But anyhow, guys, so it is right now $10.75, so it'll be 50% of that starting on Friday. There are no coupons right now. Maybe your weekend paper might have some if you're so lucky, but right now I can't track any down. But we have the 5 off of 30 and then the 5 off of 25. So looking at grabbing, say you could find 6 of these, and I know that's a tall order, but they will be $5.35 on Saturday. So 6 of them would be $32.25. Subtracting that the 5 off of 30 and then the 5 off of 25, you'll be left with paying $22.25 out of pocket for the 6, not including your tax. It basically shakes them out to $3.70 each. If you consider that these guys are usually, I think they're a bit more, like 12 or 13 at most stores. So to get them for $3.70, I hope you can see the bigger savings of this. Obviously, it'll be kind of a reach to find 6 of these, but possibly if your store might have a bunch of clearance merch, if you can get a basket towards $30, that might be something to consider. Okay, guys, so deal number 2, this is going to involve some paper coupons as well. So we're going to need the cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 30. Please make sure that you have that guy loaded to your store card. Can't stress that enough. And all digital coupons are also of a one-time use. So if you might have used that one last weekend, it's a one and done. And then you're also going to need the 5 off of 25 for Saturday. We're going to be grabbing some of these Air Effects by Febreze, and it has to have the Gain logo on it. That is imperative. So definitely scan in the store to make sure your scent is working with all of these other coupons, because that is the importance of this. So we're going to be grabbing a bunch of these for this deal. So the first digital coupon that you need loaded to your store card is this wonderful coupon, which is the 3 off of 2. And as you can see, the Air Effects are in fact included. And then in the February PNG, we have this wonderful coupon. And how this works, guys, is because it's a buy one, get one free. This is a weird one. You got to get your cashier to scan 2 of the Air Effects, then present a coupon, 2 of the Air Effects, and present a coupon. Because however I can try and explain this, the cash registers, that's how they work. Whenever you have a coupon like this, or say like a 3 off of 2, you got to scan 2 of the items, present a coupon, 2 of the items, scan a coupon. I know it sounds goofy, but it's just how it goes. If you don't, what'll happen is when you're presenting your coupons at the very end, one will scan, the second one will not. So just a little bit of food for thought there, guys. And then we're also grabbing 2 of these massive bottles of Gain dish soap. How nice are these? You buy this, you're not going to need detergent until like next summer. And then we have this 50 center, and it's attaching to that massive bottle of that blue Gain detergent. And then also from the February PNG, we have this little 50 center as well. You'll need one of those. And then the final item that you're grabbing for this basket is a box of the dryer sheets. And for $2, so a little 34 count of the Gain dryer sheets in the original scent. And then we have this dollar coupon that's also attaching to that guy. Okay, guys, let's look at the math for this deal. Okay, so 6 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain logo on it, that's $18, so $3 a pop. And then don't forget, guys, you're going to scan 2 of those Air Effects, give a coupon to the cashier, scan 2, give a coupon to the cashier, and it will not affect your balance either. We're also getting 2 of the massive Gain liquid detergents. They're $5 a pop, so that's $10. And then 1 of the Gain dryer sheets for $2. That right there is a total of $30 on the nose. You will give the remainder of your paper coupons, so the 50 center for the Gain plus the $6 of those BOGO frees as we described earlier in the video. And then you have, after that last paper coupon is scanned, you're going to punch in your phone number, and then the digital coupons is $4.50 coming off for the Air Effects and for the dryer sheets and the liquid as well. And then you have your 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 also coming off. So you're left with paying $9 out of pocket plus tax. It essentially shakes out each item to $1 each, and that is not a bad price point. Okay, so the final deal that we have is deal number 3, and let's just go through what we have to do. We needed our cornerstone, which is our 5 off of 30 loaded to your store card, and then we also need his big sister, which is the 5 off of 25, also loaded to your store card. So the first product that we're going to be grabbing are 3 of these Swiffer Sweeper wet mopping cloths with the Gain scent. They're $4.50 a piece. The first 2 will be $8 because when you buy 2, you get $1 of instant savings. And see how that Gain logo is right on it? That's what you're specifically looking for. This is the digital coupon that you need loaded to your store card, which is $1 off one of those products. And yes, it will in fact attach. And then from the February PNG, you're going to need 2 of these guys also for this dealio. So you might have to look through your inserts to make sure you have them lined up. And then we're also going to be grabbing 2 boxes of the Gain dryer sheets, 105 count for $4.50 a piece. We have a $1 digital coupon, which is shown right here. And then we're also going to need this $1 coupon, I believe, from the January 12th insert. And then we're also grabbing one of these massive bottles of Gain detergent for $7.50. And then from that same insert, another $1 coupon for the detergent. And then we're grabbing a $2 bottle of the Gain dish soap. And then we have this little 50-center digital. Alternatively, there's also one in the February P&G, so if you've already used it, you can use a paper coupon. So here's the math for this one, guys. 3 of the Swiffer with Gain wet cloths. 2 of them are ringing up for $4, and the other one is $4.50, so that's $12.50. 2 boxes of the Gain dryer sheets at $4.50 a piece is $9. One of the Gain detergents, the larger one, is $7.50, and then one of the Gain dish soaps is $2. The total for this basket is $31. You're going to present $4 of paper coupons. Immediately after that last paper coupon is scanned, you're punching in your phone number, and an additional $2.50 of digital manufacturers are also coming off. And then the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 Dollar General digitals are also coming off on the Saturday. So you're left with paying $14.50 for the 7 products, basically shaking it out to $2.07 each. If you consider that you have a massive bottle of Gain detergent there and some other like really nice products that are not the cheapest in the line, I think this is not a bad little basket for some household goodies. So I don't think this is a bad deal whatsoever. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share in the comments what is and is not working. And if I can suggest anything, I would suggest to try and do these deals on Saturday to get that extra $5 off, because that's where the biggest savings can be found. So I will see all of you in my next video, and thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.